Ay.
Ay, doon na kayo.
Bye. Ay. Ay. Ow. Di ba sabi mo? Ang pakakulit mong bata ka. Kaganina po kita. Konti lang. Sino yung stand ko? Kunin mo muna. Kunin mo muna yung stand. Yan, kakain kami ng donut kahit gabi na. Hoy, kunin mo yung stand ko. Hindi kita bibigyan. Ay, yung stand mo pala. Wait. The moment of truth. And 3, 2, 1. Ayun na po. 3, 2, 1 ko. Kunin mo. Bilis. Yeah. Ang hirap buksan, Gagi. Papa nang mura si ate. Gagi lang. Okay, wait lang. Kuha ka ng plato mo. Kunin mo.
Kasi ganyan. Kasi di mapitag-bitawin yung cellphone.
Yan, open na natin. Uy, kunin mo muna yung plato mo. Hindi tayo ate, kunin mo yung plato mo. Oh. Ano mong plato? Dalawa lang ha. Tama na. Ha? Ha? Ano pa tsura niya? Ay kapag hindi pa nabawasan. Gagi nagdikit. Ano? Oh. Ay. Cellphone naman yun.
Ate, ano yun mong gamot?
So, do you happen to know Kinsoro?
Wala pa ako iniinom.
Yeah, he was in the class above me.
Matapos yan, uminom
I
ka
mean,
na.
what do you want to know?
Isang
Oh, he's a close friend of mine, but I lost touch with him a few years ago.
konti-konti mo yan para marami ka pa.
I know that he was in grad
Kasi
school.
yung ganyan.
That's up. Do you know the reason he might have dropped out? I'm not sure. Our
Comment
professor
for
would
part
probably
2.
know more about
Hindi ko na
really liked him a lot.
ipapart 2 ko
Sonu
pa.
was his TA for a
Hindi na kayo
long
magko-comment.
time, and our professor
Agad-agad na.
wrote him a
Bye!